Welcome back to our channel.
And now, wala
We are here at
Alma's Beach Bar.
no
Oo ka na.
at the car of
Jerry and Hon's Alma.
and we are required to talk in English because
We have
Daddy could understand us nge. Na suko. Na I don't know.
How do you know that?
How do you know na merisi mo? No, merisi mo.
Our driver today is not basta-basta.
Why? Lilia, what do you mean by basta-basta?
Because
Maybe.
it is part of the...
Serious niya kay tinadanay na yang in English.
It is a part of
What?
Barangay Council of Lagunan Elementary School.
Merisi.
Who's our driver, Lilia?
Nagitulat ni Daddy oh.
Siguro basta-basta.
Dili basta-basta.
What do you mean by basta-basta? In English, Chin. I think now, what's really basta-basta?
Basta-basta day is doubtful. Yeah. I don't know. It's not doubt.
What is basta-basta?
Basta-basta is not tabas-tabas.
Basta-basta day is maybe.
Maybe.
I know, no, Daddy. It's not it's not that meaning. Tabang, ginoo.
Gisulat na ba niya?
Ala, gisulat ra ba niya?
Basta-basta.
Basta-basta means tabas-tabas.
Tabas is isda, you know.
Is maybe, magod.
Na maybe ba dili basta-basta. I know, it's not
maybe.
maybe.
It's not baby.
It's
Basta-basta. It's a big people,
high rank.
a high rank people.
Sir.
It's not basta-basta. Mean it's a high
Men,
rank
unsay
people.
men?
High rank
Men
people.
Men is lucky.
High rank people.
Oh, high rank. Piste, oy. So we're going to
He always
we're going to
correction us.
we're going to
Today we are going to
Bye-bye.
bye. So we're going to bye.
What is meaning of bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Alma trip.
Bye is a beach.
Rich.
It's a seashore beach. Nge. Tabang.
It's not a bye-bye, it's a seashore.
Nge.
Seashore ka nang
Seashore is not a
is not this
BAYBAY Beach is the extension of Ariana.
Bye-bye
Ah,
beach is the
okay.
extension
Or
of Ariana.
Bye beach is a restaurant. Restaurant?
Extension of
No, we'll
Ariana.
go in the seashore.
It's a bye resto. So we're going to have a isda there.
No.
Ay! Unsa? What?
What is
We will eat fish there.
There's no fish there, hoy.
I know. No, the high rank driver is told us to sip the seashells.
What's sip? Sip
Zip
is
is
I know it's a higup.
uy, it's not what the English of higupam. Sipping.
No, sipping na it's good. It's right man good my English.
Paghilom.
Sip.
Yati, pisti. Di kabalo mo in English.
God.
We're in the Kayas area.
Koska.
No.
Cedric Hall.
Sip means super insecure
Sip
person.
No, sip means sip on. Sip on.
No, sip is people that very talkative
Dak.
to the bus.
Tabangi po na siya, oy. Tabangi.
No, you help us out.
Naunsa man eh. Naunsa. What happened? What happened to both of you?
A few moments.
We're here. We're here. We're here. What's happened to your passenger? It's very. How do I lock this one there? One passenger who is sleeping, still sleeping. Wake up. Wait. Hoy, the tutoy of you anaros daw. Hello, why it's blurred? Blurred. Why it's blurred, Dade?
Hoy, open si Pam.
Dari na lang ate pa. Wag.
Hoy, come here. Hello, why it's blurred? What? Come here na, ate. Come here. So, this is the BAYBAY, guys. BAYBAY restaurant. Wow, beautiful. Because it's near in the sea. You can see the beach over there. Okay. She want to take a pic. Wow. Nice. Ate Alma too.
Come here, Dad.
So beautiful view. Ate Alma too. Ready, 1, 2, smile. Wala, nice kayo. You guys, over there, there's a sea. And so this is the restaurant. So there they are. So very nice looking view. Yung CR nila, nangihi ang hangal. Lot of mirrors over there. Ganda ng CR nila, guys. Very comfortable.
Hey, there's a boy toilet.
Ladies, hey lady, don't make me cry. And zerere na.
Wait, kindly focus our headband. This is the
This is from this
Hangal.
is from Hangal too. Yours is white, mine is your black. Manghihit ako. Wow. Here's their food. What do you call this one?
That's a Bicol Express.
Recipe para.
Yun, shrimp. Later na.
I only want sabaw.
Your bistic Tagalog, oh.
You eat na dati?
I want shrimp also.
What? Soup? Oh, it's time na.
Tay, ano sila?
Hoy, his body can't function. It's time to eat. What's this one? Wow.
Pampi, dara, oh, fried. Ag spit? Ha? Dara.
Thank you, Dong. Thank you.
Happy eating. Happy eating. Thank you for having us.
Ay, bugis daday.
You know, even though I'm allergic in shrimp, I want to eat.
The shrimp is very masarap. Di ka rin nagyod na ito atong pag-in-English. Because we have visitor.
Shout out ni Daday.
Why? Sabang ako din, right?
That's the BAYBAY Express. Muna yung bestseller? No. Ang unang nahurot kay
Baro may pa.
sinigang. Their sinigang is very masarap. Guys, grabe as in. Very tasteful ang ilang soup. Next is lipstick Tagalog. It's very masarap too. This one, te, unsa ni te? Huh? What do you- squid. Spicy squid. Very tasty ang ilang onion. And their chicken is very
Fried chicken is very soft.
soft. And the chicharon too. And the BAYBAY. What do you call this one?
No, we're in Tanggol.
No, the food. I mean,
BAYBAY Express.
BAYBAY Express is very delicious. Oh, are you full? Are you full? What can you say about the food? What can you say about the food?
Yeah.
What can you say about the food?
It's very yummy.
Back time.
So, when you're in Dipolo,
This
visit
one is Pampi's favorite, the fried chicken.
the fried
Order of
chicken.
Pampi. Favorite of Pampi's Baybay. Fried chicken. And me is the Natodere shell.
Dahil kayo, mura kong tigulang.
So, good
So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Visit Baybay. Si Kaya. Baybay Resto. Hey, we're going home. We're going home. Thank you for the lunch. So, this is the Baybay view. Ay, I don't have. No. So, this is the Baybay Resto. Thank you guys for... We're going home na. Do, kato lang Baybay nga kuan.
Wala kalimpyo na.
A picture ta. Thank you, sir.